In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will start Pakistan Public Estimation 2011 MCQs, that is, and Z is a maximal ideal of a ring Z if and only if n is solution, that is, a maximal ideal of a ring R is an ideal M different from R such that there is no proper ideal n of R properly containing M. Theorem, that is, let R be a commutative ring with unity, then M is a maximal ideal of R if and only if R divide M is a field. Since Z divide NZ is isomorphic to Zn and Zn is a field if and only if n is prime. Hence, the maximal ideal of Z are precisely the ideal NZ, so that is prime number. Option A is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.